How's everybody doing? What I got here today for you is a review of a scope that a company sent me. So this is the first time I've ever reviewed anything that a company has sent me, and it's a CVLIFE scope. Anyways, as you can see by the packaging here, it's just a basic black box made in China. Open this up. I mean, it's packaged pretty good, you know, with the plastic and the foam. You got a cleaning cloth, a little Allen key, and then the directions are actually pretty nice. So as you can see, what they sent me here, it's a 3 to 9 by 40. It's an adjustable objective, which has got that parallax adjustment down here on the end. Second focal plane rifle scope. You can see all the specifications here. Quarter MOA, eye relief. It says a fully multi-coated and aircraft grade aluminum. So and then the field of view right there at 100 yards. So anyways, the directions are actually pretty nice. You know, it comes with really nice directions about how to sight it in and everything. You know, it's got a fast focus eyepiece. Then it talks about how to zero the turrets and everything, cleaning and maintenance, storage. And it does say the warranty down here. It comes with a 1-year warranty. So, you know, I don't know how good the warranty is, but at least it has a 1-year warranty on it. And this scope, just to give you an idea, I printed this off of Amazon. It's basically, if you get it on there, it's $80. They have a similar version. This is called the JACKALHOWL. They have a similar version, but it doesn't have the adjustable objective, and I think it's like $59 or $49. It's a little bit cheaper, you know. But the adjustable objective is nice, you know, for target shooting. This does come with some rings here, just your basic, you know, aluminum type. They look to be probably high-rise rings, you know. So that's decent, you know, for the price. It comes with rings, and also, you know, it comes with lens covers, which is nice. Flip up lens covers. There's a lot of scopes that are, you know, $1,000 that don't come with flip up lens covers. So let me go ahead and take this off, and take this off here. So there's your fast focus eyepiece, nice and smooth. Here's your magnification, little stiff, but not bad. Definitely smooth, not gritty. And this is your you know, parallax adjustment, or adjustive parallax adjustment, or the you know, adjustable objective, and it's pretty smooth as well. So it goes down to 10 yards, which is nice. So 10, 15, 20, 30, 50, 75, 100, 200, and infinity. So they're, again, a little stiff, but not bad. So let's go ahead and take these turret covers off here. So as you can see, up and down, 1 click, quarter MOA. Let's listen. Sounds pretty good. Feels pretty good. Doesn't feel too bad. It's nice and clicky, which is what you want. A little squish, but not terrible. Alright, well, I took some pictures through the scope looking at a target at 50 and 100 yards, and I used the adjustable objective, you know, to focus it in, and it focused really well. And actually the lens was pretty bright, really as bright as it was outside. So I'm going to roll those in right now so you can have a look at what I got through the scope. You know, a little bit extra price, you know, for the adjustable objective here. The lenses, the glass is decent for what it is. All the adjustments work fine. Everything looks fine. I think you know, this would be a really good scope for like a 22, some sort of 22, 1022, whatever. You know, I do like the reticle. I mean, it's second focal plane, so the reticle stays the same. It is a nice fine reticle. It's got a few little dots on it, you know, for holdovers if you needed it. But it does focus really well at 50 yards, and it focuses really well at 100. And it actually focused really well down to 10. I said I'm going to put this on my Ruger American and do some more shooting with it, some more testing, probably compare it to a couple other budget scopes that I have, and just see how I like it. So just an initial overview. I mean, it's pretty much what you would expect for the money. Nothing spectacular, but decent and solid. And you know, I'm going to try it out, put it through more tests, and we'll see what happens. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.